What's up, guys? I'm rolling up to US41, MKE's River Redemption no prep race today. The track scraped all their old concrete off and re-poured and leveled and everything, so the track should be way flatter and less bumpy than it was. So everybody's pretty excited, but they didn't get it prepped quite as soon as they thought they were going to, so these last couple events have turned into no preps. But I'm excited to see this new concrete and check it out. It looks like there's quite a few cars here. I'm excited to see some racing. My car ain't quite done yet. I almost tried to force it, but I got to change the converter and I got to do some other things, so I'm just holding off for now. I'm gonna try to go to next week's streetcar brawl, and we'll see how we do first time out. Hopefully the little stock bottom end holds together. But here, we're pulling up now. Let's watch some racing. That's going to be left lane. Oh, is he going to chase him down? Oh! Right lane. Good race.
Got him, dude. Right lane. Right lane. Good luck, be safe. Good race, right lane. Not the Jeep. Left lane. Waiting for second round to start. I guess they decided to do double elimination. There was what, 6, 7 OG 28 cars, and and like about the same for daily.
Yeah.
So they decided to do a double elimination. So we're hanging out for round 2. Right lane. Left lane. Good job, Matt. That was scary. That was scary. Green teal car went into the right lane behind the Firebird. I don't know how close it was down there, but we were all gasping up over here. Left lane red lit and went in the right lane. Woo. Left lane. Right lane.
Yeah, but you take your pass.
I did.
No, but like floor it. Take your pass. Get the data.
What data? I'm not logging nothing. Dang it. Rear end came around and smacked the wall.
Oh, no.
Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. He's alright, out of the car. barely. Oh! Right lane, barely. Right lane. Left lane. Left lane. Is that really all-wheel drive?
$10.
Is that really all-wheel drive?
I'm gonna do a little bit.
Yep, there's an axle. It is all-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yes!
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Good job, man. I have $4 left. Dang it, I lost another $1.
Alright, where's Jake? Jake needs to leave just like that. Just fucking send it.
Jerk.
Sick.
Better be better.
Good job. Nice. Hell yeah. It took 8 of us. Man, they got like a whole crew.
He caved in and he bet me.
Oh yeah. Oh. Left lane, Honda.
He's been racing like this all day.
Yeah, that was close.
That was pretty good.
That was a good
another
race.
one.
Yeah. Give me that dollar! Give me that dollar!
Easy.
Woo! Dang it! Well, not like that. Oh, that was gonna be a race, man. Dang it!
That's a wrap for River Redemption No Prep US41 by MKE. All-wheel drive, small tire Honda ended up winning the whole dang thing. Dang, I was really rooting for the Camaro, being a Camaro boy, you know? All right, see you guys.